When you go through that discomfort, the only thing you can think about is, how much longer do I have? Is there any hope?
39 surgeries on my back now.
Very difficult to move.
There have literally been times when I could not crawl out of bed.
The pain was too much.
Okay, the pain's gonna go away when I amputate. That was not the case.
I went to a physical therapist.
I had tried everything, and then I just got to the point where I just tried to teach myself to ignore it.
It just kept getting worse and worse. My sister-in-law, she came running down the stairs with a big patch, and she says, put it on right now.
And she's like, I promise you're gonna love it. And she went home and got one and brought it to me.
I was like, okay, whatever, dude. It's a gimmick. You know, no way this works. And he starts telling me stories.
So I said, all right, I put it in my scrubs and I went to work. I didn't really think a lot about it.
Boom, stuck it on my back. I'll be honest with you, I didn't even think about it probably for 3, 4, 5 hours, maybe 6 hours, before I thought, hey, wait a minute.
Puts the patch on, and within seconds, much better. I was like, no way.
All that discomfort and the hurt that I felt in my heel was gone.
And nothing was really happening, and then it started getting warm. And then I thought I felt it like dissipating, but then I'm like, it's just in my head because I want it to work so bad. And then within 3 minutes, it was hardly even there.
I started to feel like there might be this glimmer of hope.
I couldn't believe it, to be honest with you. I started running around in place. I would walk fast from one side of the store to the other side, you know, and just in unbelief that something that's so simple could work that fast.
To be perfectly frank, I don't want to be without my patch.
I wake up and I wasn't sore, you know, and I felt like I should have been. I usually am.
It was just wonderful, just perfect.
I'm 100% confident that anybody that doubts whether this thing works, just try it.
You just have to try it. It's gonna make a world of difference for you.
I'm not gonna say this is a miracle or, you know, it's gonna change everything in your life, but for me, it's been amazing. Signal Relief is really giving me part of my life back.
The Signal Relief has made a huge difference in my life.
I know it sounds kind of funny that this little patch, this Signal patch, can give that hope, but it did for me.
The Signal patch gave me probably confidence, probably a little freedom.
For me, the Signal Relief patch it's hope. It's hope in something that I didn't have hope in. I gave up hope of not hurting. And now I have hope that not only do I not hurt, but I can share that with other people, that other people won't hurt as well.